flowers so beautiful to look at when they're around your house. It's just a shame they won't last forever. Well, the Curious Bear and I have got a trick up our sleeve so that your flowers can stay looking beautiful. The Curious Bear is letting me show you his ultimate flower pressing kit today, which helps turn nature into gifts for your family and friends. To begin, go on a little adventure with your adult and have fun collecting flowers in your garden or on your walk. When you have some, you're ready to go. Step 1. Grab your Curious Bear baseboard. Unscrew the washers and wing nuts and you'll find a pile of cards and blotting paper inside. Separate these out onto your table. Step 2. Lay one sheet of card and then a sheet of blotting paper onto your baseboard. Step 3. Carefully arrange the flowers on the blotting paper, making sure they aren't touching. Step 4. Gently place another layer of blotting paper over the flowers, then a piece of cardboard layered on top of the blotting paper. Step 5. Continue this layering process. Card, blotting paper, flowers, blotting paper, card, and repeat. Step 6. It can be a bit of a balancing game. You can press down on the paper. Keep going until you've run out of flowers or paper. Step 7. Now, put the top board in place by sliding the bolts in. Press the top board down and begin to screw in the washers and wing nuts onto the bolts. Make sure it's evenly secured. Step 8. How long do you recommend to wait, Curious Bear? They should be left at least a week, if not longer, to get the best results. Step 9. Once they are ready, carefully lift each layer and peel the flowers from the paper. Be really gentle here. Wow, these have turned out great. Step 10. Let's get creative. The Curious Bear has left us a beautiful frame to show off our pressed flowers. How amazing does this look? Decorate cards with your flowers, make bookmarks, or add them to a scrapbook where you can record what plants are growing in your garden. The Curious Bear and I want to thank you so much for joining us for our flower fun on Twinkl Kids TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe, check out the description below, and come back soon to see what other crafts the Curious Bear can show us.